Fifth grade. I hope you are excited to finish up with your line design projects this week. So what you'll want to do this week is, of course, finish adding the Sharpie into your project. Make sure that you have a nice balance between black and white. Make sure that you have filled some parts in solid with Sharpie, even if it's just some small ones. And you can see here with the patterns I made down here, that still adds a lot of darker value to the project as well. So once you're fully finished with this and have done it neatly, neatness is very important, no scribbling, you'll want to take a photo of this so that you can submit it to Google Classroom. In addition to this, you are going to be completing a checklist. Now this is new in fifth grade, and this helps get us used to the IB criteria that you'll start doing when you're in sixth grade. So, and you can fill this in on the computer. I have included the document there for you. You can just type in your answers. So this is here to make sure that you have done the important things that you've been asked to do. So before you turn it in, make sure you have created a black and white artwork in the style of Bridget Riley. Great. Make sure you have included at least 3 elements and principles. And since those were noted in your sketches, we should have done that already. And make sure that you have filled in some areas with black to create, an appealing overall design. That is super important to making sure that your project is unified. All right, so if you've done these things, it's time to write your artist statement. So you'll see 2 questions with lines down here. You'll want to answer these in complete sentences. Make sure you're being thoughtful. So the first one, which elements and principles did you use? This one is as simple as saying, I use the elements and principles of, and then you can list them. So I would like you to really make sure you're taking that seriously so that I can look and make sure that you have included the elements and principles, since that is part of your grade. And the second one, what did you learn from this project? Now this is going to differ from one person to the other. Maybe it was learning about how you can create an abstract artwork. Maybe it was learning about how to use the elements and principles effectively. It can be anything, but again, make sure that you use complete sentences in order to write your answer. So once you have this and your project, you are ready to turn it in. Great job, everybody.